Introducing Cambium Network's Force 200 series of wireless broadband solutions. This video demonstrates the installation of Force 200 equipment for optimal network deployment. Verify all parts and tools. Insert the center feed tube through the dish. Attach the rear mounting bracket to the dish and listen for 2 snaps. Install 4 M6 flange screws. Now install the safety screw for the center feed tube. Attach the pole mount bracket to the rear adjustment bracket using 2 M8 flange screws. Insert 2 M8 by 90 bolts through the pole mounting bracket and secure them with 2 M8 serrated hex nuts. Install the retaining strap to the pole mount bracket. Power on your Force 200 equipment to begin alignment. Tilt adjustments may be made by loosening the adjustment bracket. Navigate to Configuration, Radio. Configure the operating frequency and channel bandwidth utilized by your network. Then click Save. Using the E-Align feature, find the best signal for your Force 200 and secure the installation.